is it? Maybe I am a super engine after all. I need to patrol the railway. Never fear, Rail Rocket is here!
Meanwhile, down at the docks...
Ahoy there, Percy! Are you sure you could manage all those heavy coal cars by yourself?
Of course I can. I could shunt twice this amount if I wanted to.
It was a sunny day, and all seemed well. But little did anyone know that hidden in the shadows, danger was lurking. Thankfully, Rail Rocket was on hand, ready for anyone in need of...
Ow!
What was that? Did my super hearing just detect a cry for...
Ow!
A distress call? Someone's in trouble! Dun-dun-dun-dun! Never fear! Rail Rocket is here! Where's the trouble? Is it a raging storm? A runaway train? A broken bridge?
Our new kite is stuck in a tree.
A kite? Stuck up a tree? Worry not. Luckily, I have my super funnel with me.
Hooray!
Now, I must fly. Sodor is calling. Da-da-da-da! Not only does Rail Rocket react to danger, he senses it before it's even become dangerous. What's that? Did my super hearing just detect a distress bell? Someone's in trouble. I must assist them immediately. Never fear, Rail Rocket is here. Goat bells? Oh, come on. So much for Sodor calling. There's never a disaster when you need one. I've had it with being a super engine. I'm going to get cleaned up and return to my old normal life.